Very near na jud siya kay. So very near this area. The Samal Bridge construction. It's so very near this area. In the Lanang Beach Club. Oh, see. The old beach club of Davao. It's very near here. Oh, very near. Super near. Super near. Guys, lapit lang dyan guys siya. Hello, Samal Bridge construction. This is the Davao City Lanang Beach Club. Samal Bridge connector. Samal Bridge over there. So nice. So nice. Very nice, guys. I like here the beach. Very near. Oh my goodness. So near. So near. Malapit lang dito, guys. Here. The starting point, the landing area ng Davao Beach Club, Samal Bridge. Samal Bridge connector. Davao City Samal connector bridge. This area. Over there is that the seaside there? It's so very near here. Oh, look at this. Talisay tree. Oh, look at this. It's so very near, guys. Very near to the sea. I like here. You know, I like here so much. I like here, guys. I like here. I like here. We can catch the Samal Bridge. We can catch the Samal Bridge. I'm very near with the Samal Bridge. Oh no. Yes, I've got you. Samal Bridge. The construction of the Samal Bridge. It will be finished in the year 2028. It's a 4-lane road bridge. The connector of the Davao City Samal Bridge. See? This is the Lanang Beach Club. I'm alone. Oh my god. Nice watching. Love you all, guys. Still very near. I'm very near to the beach. Love. The Talisay tree here. Thanks for watching, guys. In front is the Samal Island, and here is the Lanang Beach. It's a rocky old beach, no? Thanks for watching, guys. Love you all.